My favorite experience at Lakehead would be just meeting new people who have different perspectives, different cultures, and different ways of life from me. It's my favorite thing about Lakehead. Hi, my name is David Kane Osumafo. I'm from Ghana, it's a country in West Africa, and I graduated Lakehead from the Masters of Civil Engineering program, and currently I'm working for CSL. It's an engineering company in Thunder Bay. I found out about CSL through the Lakehead co-op program, and through that recommendation, I started working with CSL for about 8 months, and I received a conditional offer from CSL during my co-op term with them that after my graduation, I'll be full-time employed. And currently, I serve as a junior geotechnical engineer, which involves me doing a hybrid of field and office work. The hybrid work experience is, in my opinion, it's one of the best you could ever get with any employer, because on one hand, I get field experience and I get all this exposure with various construction activities. Back at the office, I'm involved with report writing, client meetings, proposal writing, and a whole lot of other administrative work that complements my field work. So the hybrid work has really impacted me positively. So a more specific task that I've been assigned with at CSL is with handling and operating the cone penetration system. It's an equipment that allows you to determine the mechanical properties of soil in situ. And it's quite a big responsibility that I've been tasked with, and I'm very proud to handle it day to day. In my time at Lakehead, I was involved in a couple of projects. First project I was involved in was with Professor Rezai in the Chemical Engineering Department, where I did a literature review on the conversion of carbon dioxide to a substance called dimethyl ether, DME, which would largely be a substitute to diesel. A second project I undertook was with Professor Mohammed El Hassan, where I did the evaluation of concrete compressive strength using a rebound hammer. All these projects were very dear to my heart and contributed to my overall knowledge acquisition, and also helped build a strong bond with my professors and also my fellow colleague students who helped me along the way. So the co-op program by Lakehead is largely a program that helps you to augment your theoretical knowledge you gain in school with field experience, real-life field experience. And for me, most of the theoretical knowledge I gained in subjects like geoenvironmental engineering helped me at my time in CSL with soil sampling, running soil analysis, foundation design. So I would say that the co-op program has largely contributed positively to my career development and my career goals. The advice I'll give to future international students thinking of taking co-op study terms would be to make the most use of the co-op opportunity, because it lays a good foundation for after school and helps you to gain the real-world experience that you need. Lakehead University, a truly Canadian experience.